unit is going to be an Afro unit with the lineup up in front, and the haircut on the side is going to be a skin low taper with the C-cups. His beard is going to be left natural. Number one thing with this is we're going to leave the top with the same process, same glue process, same everything. The only difference is when it comes to the sides, it's going to be a slight change. You will see it when we get to that process. So stay tuned. Step number one, as we all know, is to start off with a haircut. So I'm going to be doing the low taper with the C-cup and kind of just mapping everything out prior to installing this. One of the most important steps is to map out the front, and you want to definitely define these sides, horizontal straight lines going down. Next step is grabbing your pencil and mapping out the sides. Once your sides have been mapped out, you will then go with your 4 fingers, map your middle, and then you will follow through. And again, with your sides, you want to make sure that everything connects nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and clean our scalp with alcohol. Make sure our whole surface is free of any hair, any debris, any oils. Our next step, we're going to go in with our max hold, which is going to create a bond for our next step, which is going to be the adhesive. And remember to do long strokes so we don't cause any bubbles or clumps. Now I'm going to go ahead and add our glue and also do the same procedure of the long stroke so I don't cause any bubbles or clumps. Once your adhesive and everything has been applied to your scalp, and it's time to install. Now you're going to start from the front, start at the middle, apply pressure, go all the way throughout, through each corner. Start off with one side, then follow through with the next. You're still going to remove that excess. And now you are going to finish off. And now we are going to grab some honey almond foam. Super great to define those curls and when it comes to like sponging it up. So what I did was I damped it up, I applied some water. Really create. You are then going to go in with your diffuser and create those curls. So this is a Afro hair unit. What do we think?
From inspo to real life.
There we go.